Hey YouTube, I'm going to make a quick video of how to lubricate your sliding doors on a 2010 Honda Odyssey, but you could do it on any sliding door vehicle. All it is we're going to add some WD-40 and some bearing grease to the tracks. Now there's 3 sets of tracks on this door. There's one here. This is the complete track for number 1. Number 2 is up here. And number 3. And number 1 and number 3 are probably the dirtiest ones, because this is where all the dirt comes in. Alright, so what you're going to need is a water hose. What you're going to do is wash all the dirt that's in here off. This has leaking ports, as you can see. It's all leaking from the bottom. So that's where the dirt is able to come into here. It has bleeder holes everywhere, so the water that comes in is able to bleed out. Yeah, all kinds of trash. Stick your hand in here, give it a nice little clean. Another good little rinse. Alright, so let's go ahead and close the door. Cure the dirt grinding in there. Same thing in here. Give it a nice good rinse. Okay. Clean up the track. Now, what we're going to do is actually let that dry up a little bit, but for all the case of the video, let's go ahead and spray some WD-40. Let's go ahead and open up our door. The WD-40 lubricates, protects, and cleans. So now we're going to spray it in here. Spray our track right in here. Spray our track right up here real quick. Just like so. Close our door. Spray our track. Spray our track. Open our door. Spray our track. Oops. Show it once again. Spray the track. What we're doing is we're getting all that dirt out of there and lubricating everything. See how you're not able to hear no more grinding anymore? Cool. Alright, so now we're going to get a little bit of bearing grease. Just rub it all over your fingers, like so. Rub it all on the track. If you still got a little bit, rub it in here. If you still got a little bit, rub it in here. You're gonna make a mess. It's alright. Clean this up. Just rub your fingers all on the track. Rub lubrication on your fingers. Rub it all on the track. Get your rag. You wipe down. Wipe down here. Your door handle. It's alright, we still gotta wash the van. Now we're gonna get a little bit more grease. And you're gonna get it all up in here. All in here. Just rub your finger right through it. Extra grease here. It's alright, don't worry about the mess. We're gonna clean that up. Just get that whole track in there nice and lubricated. Get your rag, you wipe it. Just like so. Door is nice and smooth now. Look at that. So that's how you lubricate a sliding door to a 2010 Honda Odyssey. But like I said, you could do this to any sliding door. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. All right, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.